like I said that one day, I love when I get done an hour or so early with my block, but it don't mean nothing if the drive home is an hour. Which it is, but I'm not complaining because that's the shift I prefer. I know some people like to have the in-town shifts, and trust me, I don't mind those either if they don't fill my car to the ceiling. But usually when I get an in-town shift, I get my car stacked all the way up. Trunk, front seat, back seat, everything is stacked all the way to the ceiling. I never get the good shifts when I'm in town. I always get all the packages. But when they send me out of town, I get about 25, 35 packages. And again, usually I'm done early, but it takes me the whole early to get home. Anyway, I came on here to pretty much try at least, I get random. Try to explain what this channel is going to be about. I know everybody says, all the experts and everybody says, you should have a niche and you should pick a topic and that's what your channel should be about. But I'm one of those people, and I'm sure a lot of you guys are too. I like a whole lot of stuff. I like to do a whole lot of stuff. I like to try a whole lot of stuff. And I don't think a niche would be good, or what my channel should be. I don't think niching, I don't even know how to say I don't even know how to get this sentence out. What I'm trying to say is, I just want to show y'all and showcase, I guess, what goes on with me. And I hope that I can find my little crowd who just wants to know what's up with me instead of, I don't even know. Mostly, I just want to bring y'all on my journey and show y'all my day-to-day as I try to find myself, my new self. Like I was saying in the previous video, I do plan on moving. And I've never really been alone. I've never been alone at all, at no part of my life. This is going to be brand new for me. It's going to be an adventure. And like I said in that video, it's going to be scary, but I'm willing to face my fears and try it out. The worst that can happen is I succeed. It's like, no, I don't think it's going to be a failure at all. I think God is calling me towards what my assignment is, what He has assigned for me. And I just gotta step out on faith and do what He wants me to do. What y'all got planned for this week? Me? Nothing really. I'm gonna be doing more packing. Maybe a little bit of Christmas shopping. I'm not really my money. But my little baby nephew, he's 3. I'm gonna get him something, and definitely my son, and that's probably it. Everybody else gonna get a card or a lottery ticket or something, but I'm not like splurging this Christmas. But anyway, back to what I was saying. I like to do a whole bunch of different stuff, and I feel like a niche would hold me in a box. And I don't really want to have a whole bunch of different channels for all the different things that I like to do and plan on doing and things like that. I would like y'all to tune in just because you want to see me. Not tuning in because you want to see something very specific, like only gardening or only clothing hauls and grocery hauls, or only workout and weight loss journey, or only how much YouTube pay me for the month. I don't want my channel to be just that specific stuff and that's the only thing you want to see. I want to be able to do all of that. So I guess we'll soon find out. I hope I can I know I shouldn't be touching my face, but it just feel like something. I don't know if I walk through a look at now, I can't stop. I don't know if I walked through a spider web or something from my heater blew on me or something. I don't know. I just felt something. Anyway. I just want to reel in an audience that is just interested in having fun and going out on my journey with me. Like I said, I'm headed on an adventure, and I do want to do all of the above. I want to show y'all me, just period. I just want to show y'all me, and then have a little video diary or whatever to look back on. And sorry. To look back on in the future when I'm doing big things. Just kidding, but yeah, just something, to look back on. Show the grandkids eventually, if I ever have any. Well, see you in my city, so I'm halfway there, I guess. Halfway home. Seeing the familiar stuff. At least I'm not out in Timbuktu anymore. Y'all like driving? It's one of my favorite things to do. I think I like it a little less than when I first started driving, but I still love to drive. I think that's why I don't mind those far away Amazon trips as much as other people, because I do like to drive. Sunrise is so pretty. That's another thing I get to do while doing these super early shifts and being up at the crack of dawn. Literally every day I get to see some of the most beautiful sunrises. It had been dreary all last week, so I haven't seen the sun in a while. It actually snowed a little bit yesterday. I was not ready for cold weather. But I have made it home safely. Thank God. So, like the video if you did. Subscribe if you're not. And I'll see y'all in the next one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.